Hello, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you the recipe of Milky cup dessert. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I took 5 cups of milk for desserts pudding into my pot. It's about 1 kilogram. Now I add 2 espresso cups of flour. And I'm adding 3 espresso cups of sugar. I'm mixing it with the beater. Then I turn on the stove. I turn up the stove and wait for it to boil. I'm stirring constantly. Look, it's boiling. After it starts to boil, I'm stirring it occasionally. I boil on low heat for about 2-3 minutes. Yes, at the end of 3 minutes, I took my dessert from the stove. Now I add a full dessert spoon of butter. And I'm adding 1 pack of vanilla. I'm mixing it again. Now I pass water through each of my Turkish coffee cups. You can use espresso cups, they are the same size. You need to wet the coffee cups so that you can take the dessert out. I fill the cups with my pudding. After filling all the desserts, I am waiting for it to cool down to room temperature. Then I leave them in the fridge for at least 3 or 4 hours. Later, I got enough coconuts in a bowl. Look, with the help of a teaspoon, I'm taking my dessert out of the cup. I cover the desserts with coconuts. Look, you can see how I do in the video. To take out easily, soak the handle of the teaspoon in the water. This way you can remove it very easily. I put my desserts into a serving plate. I wanted to decorate with sprinkles. You can decorate them any way you wish. My cup desserts are ready to serve. I hope you try and like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And remember to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.